So here we are going to discuss about a new chapter, that is cement and lime. When you take the cement part, it's considered as the main constituent of concrete. It's a material having adhesive and cohesive properties which makes it capable of bonding together different fine and coarse aggregates and results in a compact mass in presence of adequate quantity of water. On adding water to cement, a chemical reaction known as hydration of cement takes place and large quantity of heat is liberated. On hydration of cement, a gel is formed which binds the aggregate particles together and provides strength to concrete. Such cements are called as hydraulic cements. When we talk about Portland cement, it was invented by Joseph Aspidin. The cement was prepared by heating a mixture of finely divided clay and hard limestone in furnace until carbon dioxide was driven off. The manufacture of Portland cement was done by mixing together calcareous and argillaceous compounds or stones containing silica, alumina and iron oxide, etc., and burning them in large rotary kilns at a temperature approximately 1400 degree to 1500 degrees centigrade. At this temperature, the materials partially fuse together and form clinker. Clinker is basically aggregation of these finely divided particles. The clinker which is obtained from fusing together the different materials or different compounds, may it be the argillaceous or calcareous compounds like the silica or alumina, and they form the clinker is then ground to fine powder which is usually grey in color, and this grey colored powdered material is called as cement. When we talk about the elementary composition of cement, the oxide contents of cement are usually lime, silica, alumina, iron oxide, and then we have magnesia and sulfur trioxide. The result of this is basically the result of the chemical analysis of cement, which has shown the different compositions of oxides or principal constituent elements of cement. The percentage of these chemical elements are like lime is present around 63%, which in general is present from 60 to 67%, because the percentage shown here is only the average content. Then we have, if we talk about silica, it is 18 to 25%, the percentage composition being, or average percentage composition being 20%. Then we have alumina, which is 6%, and it ranges from 3 to 8% basically. Then we have iron oxide, which ranges from 0.5 to 6%, and the average content being 3%. Then we have magnesia, which ranges from 0.1 to 4%, and the average content being 1.5%. And then we have sulfur trioxide, which is 2%. When we talk about the chemical composition of cement, these elements in the cement are I already have discussed about the elemental composition. The elemental composition is not found in general, because we found the other components of cement in compound form, like those are bogues compounds. The constituents like silica, alumina, lime and iron oxide combine with each other to form compounds called bogues compounds. And the bogues compounds are tricalcium silicate, dicalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate and tetracalcium albinoferrate. The chemical composition of the aforesaid compounds is like tricalcium silicate, which is about 54.1%, dicalcium silicate, which is about 16.6%, tricalcium aluminate, which is about 10.8%, and tetracalcium albinoferrate, which is 9.1%. The constituents like lime, silica, alumina and iron oxide interact with each other in the kiln and form a complex product of definite molecular structure. The principal related compound present in the clinker are called as bogues compounds. Now what's basically the cement is used in the basic construction material called as concrete. Concrete is a basic structural material used in any construction and consists of a mixture of fine and coarse aggregates bound together by a definite quantity of cement in presence of water. Concrete is an important construction material and its importance is increasing day to day It is composed, basically a composite material consisting of binding material, which is essentially cement, inert filler material known as aggregates, and water. The cement concrete can be prepared by mixing above ingredients in the fixed proportion. Green concrete is a plastic mass which can be molded into desired shape. This is the main advantage of any construction material, because it can be molded into any desired shape. It is the basic structural unit of construction. Now then we have different aggregates. The functions of aggregates and cement paste are different, and the aggregates has the function like it provides a mass of the particles which register the action of applied loads, abrasion, percolation of moisture, and action of the weather. It reduces the volume change resulting from the setting and hardening process, and for moisture change in the cement paste. It provides relatively cheap filler material for the cementing material. Okay. This was basically aggregates. Aggregates are can be sand or cement. Aggregates can be sand, that's the fine aggregates, or they can be gravel, that's the coarse aggregates. Aggregates have been divided into different forms, like depending upon the size of passing through a particular sieve, like 4.75 mm sieve. If the aggregates are retained on 4.75 mm sieve, they are called as coarse aggregates, and once they are passing the 4.75 mm sieve, they are called as fine aggregates. Okay, thank you.